Hi everyone, Luke here. Today I want to start with a simple thought. Sometimes the hardest part of speaking English is not grammar, it's not vocabulary, it's taking the first step, the first word, the first hello. And here's something interesting. Almost every English speaker feels unsure before starting a conversation too, even native speakers. So today I want to show you that you and they are not as different as you think. That's our goal, to make starting a conversation feel light, natural, and honestly, kind of easy. Let's jump in. Most conversations in English begin with just one word, hi. It sounds small, but it opens the door for everything that comes next. Let's practice a complete, natural opening. Say it with me. Hi. One more time. Hi. Now let's add the next part, a warm, natural phrase. How's it going? Say it with me. How's it going? This is friendly, casual, and very common in the US. Now imagine this scene. You walk into a coffee shop, someone looks up and smiles. You want to say something, but your brain freezes. That moment happens to millions of learners around the world. So here's your first conversation starter. It's simple, comfortable, and works everywhere. Hi, how's it going? Let's say it again together. Hi, how's it going? Beautiful. After a greeting, the easiest next step is your name. Here's a natural way to say it. I'm Luke. Your turn. I'm Luke. Another option is, my name is Luke. Now you. My name is Luke. And here's something important. You don't need long explanations. Short and clear is perfect. Example mini conversation. A, hi, how's it going? B, good, I'm Luke. A, nice to meet you, Luke. B, nice to meet you too. This is all you need to start a great first impression. Most beginners stop after saying their name, but if you add just one more sentence, conversations become much easier. Here is the magic phrase. I just moved here recently. You don't need to move cities to use this. People use it all the time when they join a new class, start a new job, or arrive in a new place. Say it with me. I just moved here recently. Now watch how everything flows. A, hi, how's it going? B, good, I'm Luke. I just moved here recently. A, oh really? Welcome. How do you like it so far? Look how the conversation continues by itself. One simple sentence creates connection. Try the full sequence with me. Hi, how's it going? I'm Luke. I just moved here recently. Great. When you start a conversation, asking one question is enough to keep it alive. Here are 3 easy questions used by Americans every day. 1. Where are you from? Repeat after me. Where are you from? 2. What do you do? Now you. What do you do? 3. Do you live around here? Your turn. Do you live around here? These questions are light, friendly, and never too personal. Let's see them in a small dialogue. Hi, how's it going? Pretty good. I'm Luke. Nice to meet you, Luke. Where are you from? I'm from the US. What about you? Short and natural. Now let's practice the answers people might give to you. Imagine someone asks you, where are you from? You can answer, I'm from Brazil. Say it with me. I'm from Brazil. Or, I'm from India. Your turn. I'm from India. Or, I'm from Mexico. Repeat. I'm from Mexico. Choose yours. Say it out loud. Your brain needs to hear your own voice. If someone asks, what do? You can say, I'm a student. Your turn. I'm a student. I'm a designer. Now you. I'm a designer. I work in a restaurant. Say it with me. I work in a restaurant. These responses are enough for 90% of real conversations. Now let's put everything together. I'll play both parts and you follow the rhythm.
Hi, how's it going? Good. I'm Luke. I just moved here recently. Oh, welcome. Where are you from? I'm from the US. What about you? I'm from Brazil. Nice. Do you live around here? Yeah, pretty close. This is the kind of conversation you'll have over and over again.
Before we finish, here's something interesting. Most successful conversations in English last less than 20 seconds before the topic changes. That means you don't need long speeches. You only need one moment of courage. But in the next video, I'll show you how to keep the conversation going naturally, even when your mind goes blank. Stay with me. It's easier than you think. If today's practice helped you, you can support the channel by liking the video or leaving a comment. Tell me, which phrase today was the most useful for you? And before you go, I want you to watch the next lesson in this series. It will teach you exactly how to continue the conversation after the first 10 seconds. I'll see you there. Take care, everyone.